Hi, I'm Susan.
I'm Alicia.
And today we're gonna make
friendship bracelets.
So today we're gonna make friendship bracelets, and you like did some research on this. I'm really excited.
I did.
Yes. So we've got lots of tools and stuff here, but we picked 2 special stones because
lore says that Lapis protects friendship from negativity, encourages honesty, trust, and promotes confidence.
Oh, I like that.
And turquoise is also a token of friendship. Perhaps its strongest ability is for alleviating negativity.
Oh, nice. And you've got gold.
Gold.
Because turquoise and gold.
Yeah, and these look like little clovers to
Oh,
me. Clovers bring luck.
4-leaf clovers.
Yes.
Oh, we need luck. Yes.
I wanted to make such a simple bracelet, and I kind of wanted to go off of this bracelet that I already have.
That's cute.
And it's just kind of my version of the cha-cha bracelet.
Oh, interesting.
Hers is chain and
a lot of cha-cha. Yeah.
So mine is going more the boho.
Yeah, I like that.
Leather and some head pins.
Hey, there's lots of different types of cha-cha-chas.
Yes, we like to cha-cha.
Yeah.
Cha.
Yes. All right, so to get started, we obviously need leather. This is our 1.5 millimeter leather.
Yes.
We've got some turquoise heshy beads and some lapis rondelles, and then one-step looper. Gotta have that. Very important tool.
Yes.
And we just have a little cutter here to cut the leather with. Then head pins, 2-inch head pins. Oh, that's right, we need some wire, some 24 gauge wire, right? Okay, so these are jump rings. They are not soldered, correct?
No, yes, correct.
Perfect.
And 24 gauge wire.
Got it.
So, the way I do it is I kind of take a piece of leather and I hold it with my hand up here, and then I start going around to figure out how many times I want to go around.
So we're gonna make it perfectly to fit my wrist, basically.
Well, then kind of give it a little tug, so it's, and then leave a little bit of a tail, so that when you have got room to put your clasp on and turn it. Some turning room.
Turning room.
Yes.
How many times around did you go?
It just depends on how fluffy you want your bracelet, but I went.
I want mine to be really fluffy.
I would say
I just
6.
Went 7. 6?
There you go.
1, 2, 3. I think I only went 6, actually. I don't know what I'm talking about. All right, here we go. So that much space, does that look good?
Yep.
Awesome.
And then, you gotta love some magnetic clasps.
I love these magnetic clasps so much.
They're my favorite.
I like them because they're small, but they're really strong.
I know, it looks like it's just a bead on your bracelet. Can you tell that it's on there right there?
Not even.
Nope, you can't.
That's perfect. So I'm assuming we're putting it on the end like this.
Yes, we are.
And making a little wire bind.
Yes.
I like
super easy.
All right, so get a little 24 gauge wire, like so. And then to do this, you're gonna wanna put your wire kind of inside the 2 pieces of leather, and then just kind of wrap. And you can make it neat or messy, it just kind of depends on your style. Yeah. So, just a nice tight bind. Go around about 3 or 4 times to hold that tight. And then you're gonna trim off your excess wire. And I always like to trim it off on the inside of the leather so that you don't feel it. So, stealing the cutters.
Stealing the cutters, what's new? Tuck your tail.
Tuck your tail. I think I've got a little bit sticking out there. I'm gonna get a chain nose plier and press mine in. Because one thing for sure is you never, ever, 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 ever want to feel this little piece of wire when you're wearing this bracelet. So always make sure you kind of tuck that in between. There, I don't know what just happened, but somehow I tucked it. Awesome. It's tucked. It's tucked. And just trim off the extra. Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, so now you just get your beads and get a head pin and go to town. I put 5. I'm gonna use 5.
Oh, okay. So we're making the little head pins. So 5 of the little beads.
Yes.
I like it. On a head pin.
Boom. And then this tool is the best tool ever, the one-step looper for these kind of projects.
Yes.
You just slide it through there And boom. And you've got it.
A loop. So this tool, there's a little hole right here on the side that you're gonna want to slide your head pin through and then bring the beads just up against the edge of the tool. And then literally it is one step. You just squeeze and it loops around that little pin right there, and voila, that's all you need to do. Easy. And then you have your chain nose plier to attach it to your jump ring. So, and it won't close all the way, which is good because you actually have to attach it to a jump ring. So it just makes a perfect loop though. Every time. And they're all the same size. Easy, so that's what we're doing?
Yep, okay. That's what we're doing. And then you just put, I just used one little clover as a little accent in between the lapis and the turquoise. Now you've got your, and then this is what it's going to be. You've got yours on there. So,
okay, so this in the middle?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then you just start taking it and putting it on to your piece.
So just turquoise first? Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter.
Okay. And then I know you just knot them on here, right?
Yes.
But do you, is there any particular spacing between it or?
Well, the first one, I kind of went down a little more there.
Okay.
And then
so
you just
like
keep,
1.5 inches?
Yeah. And then I went with a clover and then a lapis.
Cool.
And I'm so fast that I've done these for you.
Thanks.
Because I might have already made my bracelet.
All right, cool. So is that correct?
Yes.
All right, so what do you, I mean, did you go 2 inches between or does it matter? Did you have any kind of rhyme or reason to this thing here? I mean, I'm just gonna do it my own way, but, oh yeah, pretty close, okay. All right, here we go. Let's see. Oh yeah, see, look, it's gonna be perfect.
Perfect.
Tricks of the trade.
Stretch.
Yeah.
It's so funny when I try to like use a tool with this, it always just like, and you're like,
oh, I know, when it attaches to it, it's so annoying. Okay, so between. Thank you. Wrap, that's what friends are for.
That's what friends are for.
Wrap.
Why can't we be friends?
Why can't we be friends? Okay. You're the queen of getting songs in my head.
It's better than nothing.
All right, let's see if I can get this a little tighter this time so I can. That's perfect.
Cute.
This guy right there, which I will tuck in with the chain nose plier, like so. Ta-da. All right. Ta-da! So cute.
So cute.
I love it.
Friendship.
Friendship bracelets. I love them. All right, so to make this was pretty easy.
Super easy.
Super easy. All we really needed was some leather and some wire, 24 gauge wire, and beads that represented our friendship. We used lapis and turquoise, head pins, jump rings, accent beads.
Yes.
Definitely 4-leaf clovers. Those were fun. And of course our tools. 1-step loopers. Very
Gotta
important.
have that.
We used a cutter and we almost forgot our
nose.
handy chain nose plier. So all those guys right there. Thanks so much for watching. If you guys would like to pick up some supplies like the ones we work with today, check out the links down below. What stones would you use on your friendship bracelet with your BFF? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe and ring that bell. And now that you know a little bit about making friendship bracelets, you can say, I made this.